Hey guys, what's up? So in this video we will have a look at what is false in Ruby. So in Ruby sense, what is false? So there is something called Boolean false, which is if you write it like this or you write it like this is Boolean false, and you can assign it to any variable, and so that is it. And if you just pass this variable to, instead of the conditional statements for if, while, these kind of statements, passing this will behave like, okay, the conditional expression coming out as false and that block will not be executed, okay, for which we have written this conditional expression, like, right, just we have written false. Also, when we do conditional operations like 4 greater than 5, it will be equivalent to saying like this. Okay, so expressions like this, they will also return false. Then of course you will say that expression like this will return true. That is true, but when you are writing your conditions inside if statement or while statement, even if you are not writing expressions like this, you are just passing some string, you are just passing some values. So the presence of any value or a string, it will take it as true value. So you need not pass true. You can pass just a number, or you can pass an expression which evaluates to true. That is fine. But you can also pass some number like 4, 5, and it will consider that number or that value as true. So if I write like if 4, then print hello end. So here I have passed only a number 4. So just the presence of a number is also true. So anything you pass is true unless you have passed false directly, or you have passed an expression that evaluates to false, or you have passed nil. Only in these 3 scenarios it will be considered as false, otherwise it will be true. So even if I do it like this, so even passing a string without any characters, it will consider that true. So if I pass anything like an empty array, that is true. If I pass an empty hash, that is true. So presence of any values, anything, it is true. The things that are false is either I write directly false, here you didn't get haha, or I write an expression something like 4 greater than 5, then that is false, or I pass something like nil. So these are the 3 scenarios using which you can pass false value, or false value can be passed in your conditional expressions. So this is very simple concept, but many times people are confused, like they believe that passing empty array or empty string or empty hash or just passing some number is not like true or false. They are kind of confused. So I just wanted to make it clear, like when is it false, and when it is true. So that was all for this video. Thumbs up if you all like the video, and subscribe the channel, and see you guys in the next video.